to EMS, Empower Melbourne Shuffle. My name is Gribbs, if you don't already know. Before we get started, please hit the bell and subscribe so you'll be updated for future content. Today I'm going to be going over hood flips for the demo. If you didn't watch that, go back a video in the playlist and watch the video on hood flips. This is something that you can use in the Melbourne Shuffle when you're dancing. So we're going to get started, okay? I'm going to be using the medium size jacket or medium weight, and then I'm going to use the heavyweight jacket just to show you how easy and to perform it, okay? Or how easy it can be. So let's begin. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did my best to, my goal is to always flip the hood without my hands, so going like this, but if you watch the previous video, like that, okay? But it's okay. You can use your hands to go like that. And sometimes it gives it more of a cool look too when you just like whip it. Kind of like with the hat tricks I showed, you send it or you throw it to the front, you just boom. And you go into a running man, okay, or whatever. So next I'm going to do the more heavyweight jacket and show you how easy it is to flip it when you just use your arms. Because when you pull the tension of the jacket across the seams, and you go like that and you flip forward, okay, you're like, it's like when you have dumbbells when you're doing like shoulder flies, you are kind of dumping the jacket forward, shrugging your shoulders, and that hood will flip up on your head. It's just another cool effect to add the illusion of shuffling, add to this dance. Really, you can add it to any style, so. All right, here we go. Alright guys, so as you can see, I was able to do it that first time at the drop, just like this. You have to get it just right, and also, you know, make sure your hood is not inside out, you know, and also the type of hat you're wearing helps too. If you're wearing a regular hat, like a dad hat, it'll be a lot easier. It's harder, I noticed, with this bucket hat because it's got the the brim, or on the side, like the bill, it goes all the way around, so it's kind of hard. It kind of prevents it from flipping, but that's why you just gotta adjust, adapt, and overcome. So you have two options. You can flip it with your hands, give it a flick, you know, give it a kick too if you want, or, you know, make sure your jacket is good to go. And, you know, at the beginning or whatever, you can, sometimes I do this like combo move where I'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, or without the hands, 1, 2, 3, like that, okay? So, that's it for hood flips. Get creative with these. I've played around with the jacket in series 1 with the rocking tutorial. You know, it looks cool to have flare. So when you open your jacket, you can like, you're doing a running man, unzip, open it, flare. Okay. The jacket just adds so much more steeze or more appeal to your style when you have more layers, more clothing. So yeah, play around with it and see what you guys think. That's it for this lesson. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more content, and see you guys on the dance floor. Peace.